Calculus, rate of change. Determine the equation of a line that passes through 3, 4 and is parallel to the line tangent to y equals to 5 minus 2x cubed at 1, 3. So this question is slightly different from the point of view that we have to get the slope first and then use that slope with the given point to find the equation of the line, right? So let's try to do this question. So the given equation is y equals to 5 minus 2x cubed, and we need to find slope of this line at 1, 3. So the slope can be written as m equals to limit h approaches 0 of f of, so x point is 1, so we'll go close to 1, that is 1 plus h minus f of 1 over h, right? Now this could be written as limit h approaches 0, and f of 1 plus h is what? Replace x with 1 plus h. So we get 5 minus 2 times 1 plus h whole cube. So that is the first part, f of 1 plus h. Now f of 1 is 3, is given to us. So let's write minus 3 here, divided by h, right? Now let's expand this and see what do we get. Get limit h approaches 0, and 5 minus 2 times 1 plus h whole cube. I hope you remember the formula. It's 1 cube, which is 1, plus 3a square b, which is 3a square 1 square b is h, plus 3ab square, which is h square, plus h cube. So that is the expansion of this, minus 3 over h, right? Now we get limit h approaches 0, and we have 5 minus, so let's open this bracket up, so minus 2, and then we get minus 6h, minus 6h square, and we have minus 2h cube minus 3. So that's what we get in the numerator and h in the denominator. This could be written as limit h approaches 0, and let's do this. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we get rid of the constants. We are left with 3 terms, and all of them have h in it. And we can say 2h is common, right? So let's take rather minus 2h common, right? So I'll take minus 2h common. So I am left with, if I divide it with minus 2h, I get 3 here, and this will be plus, because minus sign has been taken out, 3h, and this will be plus h square, right, divided by h. And now h and h will cancel out. H divided by h is 1, and so we get limit h approaches 0, and here we have, if I substitute h equals to 0, then what do I have? Think about it. So at present we have minus 2, and we have 3 plus 3h plus h square. Now if I substitute h equals to 0, I get minus 2 times 3, which is minus 6. And therefore, slope at this point, 1, 3, on this curve is minus 6. So we got the slope of our interest, right? Now let's read the question once again and try to understand what do we need to do. It says determine the equation of a line that passes through this point 3, 4 and is parallel to the line tangent to this at 1, 3. Now that means the slope should be same. So we need an equation of a line whose slope is minus 6 and which passes through the point 3 and 4. So that's what the question is. So let's try to get this slope now, rather equation of the line. So we know slope is minus 6 and the point is 3, 4. Therefore, the equation of the line, which could be written as y equals to mx plus b, we'll just plug in all these values, find b. Y is 4, so get 4 equals to minus 6 times x is 3, and we find b. So minus 6 times 3 is minus 18, which goes on the left side. So 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 is the b value. And therefore, equation of this line, whose slope is same as tangent on this curve at 1, 3, is y equals to minus 6x plus 22. So that becomes our answer, right? So the equation of the required line is y equals to minus 6x plus 22. So that is how we are going to solve this. I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thanks and all the best.